Another big thing we do here is trade-ins. This one, they already started taking it apart. I'm sure William got some before this, but came in all purple. So this dealership took the car on trade. They didn't know if to put it on for wholesale or actually put it for sale. So I told them the car's in great condition, 6,000 miles only. Let's put it back to factory. But when we went inside, now you're not gonna be able to see it because they took it all apart, obviously. But you can still see the dash, all the purple. And we're gonna go where Davi is and see the seats. Come. Obviously, Davi was in a hurry, but you can see all the interior, what I was saying, literally purple. And it's not that they added purple material. Guys, listen, they painted this. So obviously it's damaged, so I have to redo it to bring it back to factory. Davi's having fun. What are you doing, Davi?
Floor mat.
You're doing the floor mats first?
Because I have time, I wait material.
Oh, he's waiting for the material, so he has time. Son, look how Davi does floor mats. I didn't know that. And this is like glue?
Glue. Don't drink.
Oh my God.
Don't drink, Alex.
No, that's very strong
No,
smell.
you can drink, but not dry.
No, I don't want to drink it, just the smell. It's very strong. So we just finished this Porsche. This one went with clear PPF. I really wanted to see this car in matte. Still looks good. I love that color. It's different. And then this one we're doing matte for the dealer. You'll get it done today, right? Huh?
Yeah.
We get a lot of these cars. You see they're brand new. You can see the window stickers on them. So a lot of the especially black cars and all that, the dealership sends them, gets them PPF, puts them in the showroom like that, which is a good thing. Yes, they make more money because it has add-ons to the factory, but if people had any idea how much this protects a vehicle, you'll be glad the dealership did it. And why I tell everybody it's so important to go with Ceramic Pro. What PPF really protects and really does, I'll show you with this brand new BMW we literally did a couple days ago and got in a little fender bender. You'll see how good PPF protects your vehicle. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that like button and click that notification so you get notified every time we put up a new video. And again, thank you for watching.